Unleash the waves of music. Boat AirPods 141 review trendy product. Immerse in the magic of Boat AirPods 141, quintessential for water lovers, thanks to technology seeping into every corner of our lives. Travel back in time through the evolution of wireless earbuds, observing their transformation from clunky to sleek, witnessing their escalating demand. Boat AirPods 141 are water and sweat resistant, ideal for aquatic activities, gym sessions, and comfortable for long durations due to their lightweight and ergonomic design. The unique selling point of AirPods 141 is their superior sound quality and secure fit, delivering clear music even during intense activities. AirPods 141 offer a remarkable battery life for hours of continuous music and easy touch controls for hassle-free music and call navigation. These AirPods are perfect for water adventures, gym workouts, and travel, with their durable design, long battery life, and easy music navigation. Boat AirPods 141 revolutionize audio experience with their water-resistant design, superb sound quality, and comfortable fit, making them a must-have for water enthusiasts, gym goers, and travelers.